Welcome back. My name is Atisha Goyal, lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the practical number 22, that is develop a program to implement sensors. So in this exercise is write a program to display the list of sensors supported by the mobile devices. So our mobile devices support so many types of sensor like a gyroscope, position sensor, then auto rotation sensor. So by this program it will list all the sensors which are supported by the mobile devices. So for this, create a new project and then in the design we need to take a relative layout. You can take any layout. To the relative layout I have added the scroll view so that there is not only one sensor supported by the devices. There are so many sensors which can be supported by the devices. So for all this sensor will be listed out in this program. So output will be all the sensors which are supported by the device. So it can be many sensors. So for that scroll view is used so that it can be scrolled and you can see all the sensors which will be listed in the output. So in the scroll view, first I have added the scroll view, and the scroll view linear layout is added so that all the sensors which will be get listed will be shown like linearly manner. In the orientation is a vertical. So in the linear layout, one text view is added and text view name is list of sensors supported by these devices. You can see in the design part, list of sensors supported by this device. So this is the text view, and then linear layout is closed, and then scroll view is closed, and then relative layout is closed. So like this you need to close in this manner. So in the linear layout, sensors will be listed in the linear manner. So the output will be in the linear manner in the vertical orientation. And the scroll view, why we use scroll view? Because there can be more sensors which can be supported by your device. So all those devices, all those sensors can't seen in one window only. So you can scroll out and see how many sensors are there, and then relative layout. So this is the design. So the question is, list out all the sensors which will be supported by the device. So for that we need to code it in the main activity.java. So in this I have taken the object of text view. We have added a text view here, right? We have added here a text view. So we'll create an object of text view, that is TV1. Then we need to take a class of sensor, that is a sensor manager. Sensor is also a class, sensor manager is also a class. So we need to show all the sensors which will be supported by the device. So we need to create a object of sensor manager class, and the object is sensor manager. Now here we have assigned the ID of text view to the TV1 object. TV1 is the class, TV1 is the object of a text view which we have added in the design. So to the object of text view we have added the ID. ID of text view is a text. You can see here, ID of text view is a text. So we have assigned a ID of text view to the TV1 object, and then to the sensor manager object. Sensor manager is the object of a sensor manager class. To list out all the sensors we need to use the sensor manager class. So to the sensor manager we have assigned a method or function which is supported by the sensor manager class, and the method of sensor manager class is get system service. We want a sensor service, right? So by this method, this is the method of sensor manager class, that is a get system service method. We need to assign a state of this method, that is sensor service. We want a service of sensor. So we need to assign a sensor service to the sensor manager class by using the get system service method. So get system service is a method of sensor manager class, and this method will be assigned to a AMP sensor manager object, which is the object of sensor manager class. Now the next is we need to show the list of sensors. So for that we need to create a class of list. This list is a class. List sensor is a class. In the Android, list sensor is a class. We need to show the list. To showing the list, we use the list class. AMList is the object is equal to this object we need to assign a sensor list, so that sensor list will be shown in the output. So AMP sensor manager, by using the object of sensor manager, that is AMP sensor manager dot. Now there is another method which is supported by the sensor manager class, is get sensor list. Okay, so by using this get sensor list method, it will show all the sensors supported by the device. Sensor dot type all. So here you can type a specific type of sensor also, like if you want position sensors, by this, if you want position sensors, if you want accelerometer sensors, if you want temperature sensors, so you can take specific type of sensors also, type gravity, type gyroscope. So if you take type gyroscope, then only gyroscope type of sensors will be listed in the output. But we want all the types of sensors. For that we take type all. Okay, so sensor type all. So by this it will show you all the types of sensors which will be supported by the device. Now the next is we need to take a for loop, so that when the sensors are over, then it will show you all the list, like it will show you a name of a sensor, it will show you a version of a sensor, it will show you a vendor of a sensor. So by using this for loop, if I is equal to 1, I is less than AMList. AMList is the object of a sensor. AMList is object of a list class. Okay, and size is the method of a list class. So till that size, it will show you all the sensors. Okay, till all the sensors listed, this size method will be called. So size is the method of a list class. Now AMList dot size and I++. So here we append a sensors. TV1 is the object of a text view, right? So we didn't take any other control to store a sensors, so which will be supported by the device. It will show you a list. So we'll append the list of sensor to this text view. So for that, TV1 dot append, and then here /n is for the new line. So AMList dot get I dot get name. So it will get the name of the sensor. Then on the new line, AMList dot get I dot get version. So it will show you the version of the sensor. And then AMList dot get I dot get vendor. It will show you the manufacturer or vendor of a sensor. So for one sensor, it will show you a name, it will show you a version, it will show you a manufacturer. All these three by using this get I method and get name method. So get name is also a method, and for getting anything, it will show you get I. So like this, when you type a get I here dot, then it will show you what you want. So I want a get name. So like this. So this is the code of sensor. So output of this code is, it will show you all the types of sensors. So this code I have posted in the classroom. So this is the output. To the object of text view, we have appended all the sensors. So here you can see, this is the name of the sensor, this is the version of a sensor, this is the vendor of a sensor. So like this, all the sensors which will be supported by your device will be listed, name, version and vendor. And these sensors, there can be more sensors which can be supported by your device. For that we have added scroll view. So if you scroll here, then you can see in the below side all the sensors. Okay, so this is the output of the program. So like this we can list a number of sensors. So in the next video we will see the practical number 23. Thank you.